Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. Okay, every 5 minutes some satoshi. Okay, click and solve the capture first. Okay, this is a capture. Just clicking crosswalk, you can solve it, and this is the traffic light. Click it and click verify. Just solve this capture too. It's point opens and solve it, and this one show you please display ad block. Okay, then reload the page. Okay, in here is ad block. Just click allow. Okay, then you reload the page and you can solve the capture and you can earn it. Okay, without that you can't earn. Just I told you this one because a lot of you came in here but didn't earn your free BTC. Okay, I reload the page again and I put my BTC wallet address and I click get the reward and I click again the bot. Okay, and wait some seconds to I fill the capture, and you can see right now it's tell me claim now. Okay, just be sure to display ad block. And this website pay me 1 satoshi. Okay, instantly to my faucet pay. You can see to overview and you can see this website pay me 1 satoshi. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is free way to earning. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.